In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful, welcome dear viewers. I want to talk about Kabul. Kabul is the biggest city and the capital of Afghanistan. It is located in the eastern part of Afghanistan and is situated 1,800 meters above the sea level. Kabul has a very gentle and pleasant weather which paves the way for cultivation and growing different kinds of vegetables and fruits. Kabul has 3,500 years history and was firstly called Kabul. Of course, Kabul has faced several different aggressions and attacks in the history like Mughals and Chinggis and even the civil wars which destroyed Kabul and left a lot of casualties. Kabul is the main economic, commercial and cultural center of Afghanistan. It has more investments and economic activities are done in this city. The main products of Kabul are fresh and dried fruits, rugs, vegetables, nuts, clothes, and furniture, which are nearly world famous. Kabul has a lot of monuments like Bala Hisar, Taqi Zafar, Darlaman Palace, and etc. That the people mostly visit these places. The people of Kabul are very brave and hospitable, and the nature of Kabul is very beautiful. Thanks from your attention.